Today we're going to be talking about subtracting mixed numbers, which is our next topic in Unit 4. By the end of this lesson, you'll find the common denominator and use it to find the difference between two mixed numbers. You'll know you have it when you can follow the process correctly, recall all the steps, and correctly find the difference between our two mixed numbers. Remember, our vocabulary that we are going to be using is one mixed number. It is a number that has an integer and a proper fraction. So I could have a whole or multiple wholes attached to one fraction. We'll also be talking about improper fractions, a fraction where the numerator is larger than the denominator, and then we will say the word simplify, which means reducing a fraction into a simpler form. When we subtract mixed numbers, we're going to do very similar to what we did for adding mixed numbers. We're going to write them vertically. If we need to, we'll regroup and change to an improper fraction. We'll subtract our mixed numbers, and if needed, we'll find our equivalent fractions and simplify. So let's take a look. I have 3 1/5 minus 1 1/6. So the first thing that I want to do is I want to find my common denominator between my two fractions. 5 and 6, I know they have the number 30 in common. To get that, I'm going to multiply 5 times 6. Whatever I do to the bottom, I have to do to the top. If I want to change the 6 under the 30, I want to multiply it by 5. And I will do the same thing to the top. So now I have 3 and 6 over 30 minus 1 and 5 over 30. I'm going to stack those vertically, meaning I'm going to put my 3 on the left and my 6 over 30 on the right, with the 1 right under the 3 and 5 over 30 right under the other fraction. I am now going to look and see, can I subtract the top numerator from the bottom numerator, the 6 and the 5? Can I subtract 5 from 6? Yes, I can. I do not need to regroup for that one. 6 minus 5 is going to give me 1, and my denominator stays the same. Next, I'm going to subtract my integers. 3 minus 1 gives me 2. So the difference of 3 1/5 minus 1 1/6 is 2 1/30.